and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my Walmart / Ibotta haul. I think I feel weird. I feel like I'm in the dark. There we go. Gotta brighten it up. I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, what I always do every single week is I shop at Walmart. I do mostly Ibotta deals and some other saving apps and a lot of other freebies. I try to bring you guys as many deals as I can to share with you guys. So if you guys haven't joined Ibotta, definitely do it. I have the referral link below. Once you guys redeem your first receipt or rebate, you end up getting $10 into your account. You guys can start redeeming money as little as $20. And what I usually do when I go to Walmart or Target is I roll my gift cards. So that's how I do stuff. You guys should definitely do it. But click my link and then you guys can be on my team. If you guys haven't already, you guys can friend request me. I do have a link down below some more where you guys can be Facebook friends with me. I post some stuff. Mostly, stuff that you guys would see. And then if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Another thing is, send me your guys' pictures with your shirts. You have until August 31st to send me your pictures. I'm going to do a little video montage with everybody sending me with everybody's pictures. I got a lot, but I know a lot more of you guys ordered shirts. So definitely send them to me. By August 31st, I'm going to do a little montage. Sorry, I have like a short hair that's driving me nuts. But I'm going to shut up now and show you guys what I got. So the first deal I got is the Thermacare. Now these were $5.94. Now we had those $2 off coupons that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You guys would pay $3.94 for these. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Saving Star, making these just $1.94. Now I got these for the 4 count. They have some that have 2 count. There's some that's 3 count. I get the 4 count. So I think for $1.94, that stuff's pretty good. And I have yet to use it. Sorry, I have like a tote full of stuff right here because I ended up buying some totes. I ended up getting this Mountain Dew. Now, I was at the cash register, and they had it marked for $1. Well, then when I went to the register, they rung up $1.78. I said, hey, those things say $1. They're like, well, that's for the Kickstart. I'm like, well, their tags are really hard to read. So they ended up, I didn't argue with them or nothing, but they ended up just giving them to me for $1. So the Mountain Dew, I paid $1 each for these, but then you guys can submit $2, or you guys would pay $2 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 or $1 off a 2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1 or 50 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. Now you can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, so you guys will get points for those. Yeah, I ended up getting the Stay Free pads. Now these were $2.86. I used that $2 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would just pay $3.72 for this, but then you guys can get a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, and there's also a $1 rebate on checkout 51. So you guys will get both of these for $1.22 or just 61 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty decent deal if you guys are interested in those. I ended up getting the Talente ice cream. Now these have been out and then now we're in my freezer. So these were $3.98. We do have those 4 off of 2 coupons that we got from coupons.com. You guys would pay $3.96 for the both of these. It's kind of like buy one get one free technically. But then you guys can submit $1.50 and $1.50 off of Ibotta, making the final price for this just 96 cents. Now, you can also try submitting your receipt for $1.25 on Saving Star. If you guys do that, it comes out to be a 29-cent moneymaker. And you could also try submitting your receipt on Checkout 51. Now, a lot of you guys, and including myself, have been getting denied for Checkout 51, but you guys can also get a $1 rebate for that. So, but with Saving Star and Ibotta, this ends up becoming a 29-cent moneymaker. And you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points for that. If you guys don't know what Fetch is just an app where you guys submit your receipts, mostly from the grocery stores, Walmart, Target, those kind of stores, Walgreens, CVS, and you guys get points. Every 1,000 points you guys get, that comes out to be $1. So then when you guys can start redeeming gift cards at little as $3. I used to do CVS, but I think they took that away as an option. So I usually get Walmart or Target gift cards, but I'm going to start saving them to use for a free Christmas. So definitely do that. And I have a referral link below. You guys join it. You guys get 2,000 points right away. So we got that going on. I ended up getting the Summer Eves Simply. Now these were $2.98. You guys want to use 2 of those $1.50 off coupons that popped up on coupons.com. You guys would just paid $2.96 for these. But then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta for buying 2 of them, making the final price for these just 46 cents. That comes out to be just 23 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in stuff like that, I ended up getting this Hellmann's ketchup. Now this ketchup was $3.38. Now I did get a $1 off coupon that I got. I don't even know where I got it. I think I got it from like my Pinch Me box. I cannot remember where I got it. But I used that $1 off coupon. You guys would pay just $2.38. But you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 88 cents. I am like ketchup wasted. I got so much ketchup, it's crazy. I ended up getting the Meow Mix. Now just because I want to finish level 4. A lot of you guys are finishing levels that you never finished before. And I just wanted to get some my cat food. My cat actually likes this stuff. Right, Paris? Do you like this stuff? Or you like cups? Yeah. So this was just $3.98. I didn't have any coupons for it, so you guys would pay $3.98 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1.25 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $2.73. So just wanted to do that deal, you know, for that. And then I ended up getting my cat's favorite thing in the world. I got her some cups. Cups, Paris. Cups. She loves these things. So these were just 52 cents at my store. Some of you guys' stores might have them a different price, but 52 cents for an individual cup. You guys would pay 52 cents, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 2 cents, and it is a limit of 5. So I took full advantage of it, and I got 5 of them because my cat is obsessed with these cups. Yeah, she's just... Oh, now she's coming. She's coming. So, had to get her some cups. You want a cup? Come up here. Come here. Come here. She's gonna come up here. Watch this. Pierce, come here. Come here, princess. Come here. Come here. See, I want a cup. I want a cup. I want a cup. Yes, she likes those cups. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. So I'm like not prepared at all. There you go, Pierce. Okay. So the next deal I got is the Clean and Clear. Now my store had a whole end cap of these, and then attached to them there were $2 off Peely coupons. I don't take them all, I just take what I saw. So I ended up getting a Clean and Clear. This is the foaming facial cleanser. this was $3.57. I used that $2 off Peely that we got. You guys would just pay $1.57 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 57 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. That was just a spur of the moment while I was shopping at the store. I ended up getting the zebra pens. These are 97 cents. Now these are the Z-Grip Flight pens for just 97 cents. We have that $1.25 coupon off of 2 that we got from actually a couple weeks. I think it was a 722 Smart Source. You guys would just get both of these for just 69 cents. So I love getting great deals on pens. The Visine redness irritation relief. Now this was $1.97. You guys would pay $1.97 for this, but then you guys can submit on Ibotta a $1.20 rebate, making this just 77 cents. So I wanted to get this. I wanted to really get the bonus. There is an August bonus. I really wanted to finish, and then I didn't finish level 4, but I will do it next week. So I'm pretty excited to share with you guys on that. Ended up getting the Greek yogurt. This was $1. You guys would pay $1, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 50 cents. I also got a 25-cent any yogurt, so I actually got this for $0.25. I should try this. I keep saying I'm going to try these yogurts, and I never do. I don't know why. I have to like really crave yogurt for me to really enjoy it. So, yes. And then I think this is the last and final item that I got, but I ended up getting the Tic Tacs again. Now these were $1.14. You guys would pay you guys would use those 50-cent coupons that we have. You guys would just pay 64 cents for these. But then there's 3 different Ibotta deals for 25 cents. So you get 25 cents, 25 cents, and 25 cents for the Ibotta. You guys would just get each one for just 39 cents. So if you guys really want some gum, go for it. This is gum that I'm getting rid of, or I'm going to give away for Halloween. So, because I have so much Tic Tac gum. It's crazy. So, yes, that was my haul. I got some new stuff, I got some old stuff, but I was pretty excited to share with you guys some pretty good deals. I also want to say thank you. I forgot what your name was. I want to say Cassandra, but it wasn't. Maybe it was. I don't remember, but I ran into one of you guys while I was shopping. It was super awesome. I love running into people. If you guys ever see me in public, just come say hi. Don't be afraid. I will take my picture with you because I love, knowing who watches my videos. So definitely that is awesome. But you guys want to know my total? My total came to $29.12. I ended up getting $17.20 back with Ibotta. I got $1 back with Checkout 51 for the Stay Free. I'm still waiting to see if I'll get approved for the $2 for the Talenti. I haven't gotten approved for that yet, or they haven't processed my receipt. So I might get $2 from that. I ended up getting $3.25 from Saving Star. That is for the Talenti and the Thermacare. And then I ended up submitting my receipt. I got 117 points. That is for the Talenti and then the Mountain Dew. And then I did hit that bonus. I needed 15 rebates to hit the bonus, and I hit it between yesterday and today. I hit the bonus, so I got a $2 bonus. So if you add everything together, it came to $5.67 for 24 items. That comes out to be just 23 cents a piece. Now, if I do get approved for the Talenti, on checkout 51, it'll end up being $3.67 for 24 items, makes it 15 cents a piece. So I think that is a pretty good deal. I mean, 24 items for $5 is a pretty good deal if you guys think so. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.